Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Before we get into today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on an upload, and leave a comment below saying I subscribed and hello, and I'll always say hi back. With all of that said and done, let's jump into the video.
It's time to do.
Round 4, Game 1.
Use the high roll.
7. Damn it.
I'll take first.
Alright.
Good luck, my guy.
You too.
Oh, 3. Do that. Every day of the week,
First and second.
In the draw phase,
That's fine.
we're going to activate Sleepy Memory. Next battle of damage I take will become 0. Do you have a response?
Yep.
We are going to discard the Happy to summon from deck.
So red side, use
Go Purrely. Purrely on summon to add a non-quick play spell or trap.
That's fine.
I'll go Standby Main. Activate Purrely, target Sleepy. Purrely Noir. Activate Mind Frame
special, is
Purrely.
it?
Sure.
I'll pay the cost of 500.
Now, sorry.
To reveal 3 cards to you.
You 12 on that one,
Fine.
is it? Yep.
Street.
Of course.
Out of straight.
Same something.
Anything on resolution?
I have nothing.
Activate straight. We're gonna go Happy Memory. I'll choose straight. So the next time will be destroyed by Card of Fate. If it's not, I'll chain Noir to absorb it and set the trap.
Sure.
Trap is set. We'll go end phase, activate streak to attach to Noir.
That's fine.
And your turn.
Draw.
Yep.
Stand by.
I'll activate Noir to draw a card.
That's fine.
I'll activate Noir to draw a card again.
I'll read card.
Fine.
Yeah, fine.
I'll activate Eve to seats.
Sure.
I'll activate Noir to draw a card. And one last time.
Okay. Alright.
Yep, too good.
So, my phase.
Yep.
Activate Possibility.
Yep.
And
So I ditch one and ditch something else. So ditch Rainbow. Search for Dark World is higher.
to refill 3 cards on top of it.
You're good, mate.
Yeah, so I play games. Banish your fan, get your fan, draw a card. Ditch it up. Draw. Rough bubbles just got I can destroy a card on the field, so
Alright, with Pledge.
Yep.
I will destroy this.
Anything on West?
Draw 2 cards.
Yes.
3 cards 70 here.
That's one. Also on top was Tiger.
Normal summon's fine.
One. Pass.
Drop 10.
Dark Corridor. Dark World.
We'll go Standby Mate. Normal summon Purrely, sorry, and activate its effect to add a non-quick play spell or trap protect hand.
Awesome. Alright, we put a card play.
Drop.
I'll use the second effect to center play and then return 1 plus
All his
P.
effect is special summons to your side of the field.
fine.
So I'll return this deck.
And then I have to discard a card. You search for a card and special summon a card.
Where's it going? Back to hand.
Yeah.
Special summon.
It will still solve.
So I still resolve it.
Yeah.
Activate dual type strike. So I'll play Tulsa to pitch a card in here. Yeah, it's just back here. Okay. Then I'll bounce just ahead. Or this. Get time, I can pitch.
I'll go my friend Purrely, pay 500, reveal 3.
So I'll replace the gates with gates, use gates.
That's what
Get that. So front will push with this. And then this is special summon. I'll then bounce this.
pretty. Very pretty.
I'll just get to it again. Another field spell.
Anything here? I'll activate Delicious Memory and I'll choose Noir.
Gates.
So the end of the turn it cannot be destroyed by battle. And then I'll discard. Discard book. Someone's back.
You like the way
Lily on summon because it's not once per turn. Oh, sorry, it is once per turn. Yeah, so I can use the second effect.
That's fine.
special summon hit to the card with the field.
I'll go Purrely's effect target Delicious.
Okay, yes, sir. So I shuffle my hand, you pick a random card, and it's discarded. And then effects happen. So, so it's discarded. This is
So Plump's effect targeting
summon is raw.
Happy
You
and
can't special summon, it's board full.
attaches the material. That's fine. I'll go Pretty Memory, we both get 1,000 life points.
Yep.
And I'll chain Plump.
So,
You have no monsters? Okay. And we both get
that's in the battle phase.
I will go battle phase.
I'll use this to take over.
1100.
And then it's 2, 6, and 6k, so 30k.
17.
That's fine.
So the game will be over, you take 3,000. So that's, yeah, so it's 3,000, 3,000 is 6, plus 2, 5 is 8, 5.
Step 2.
So,
3. No. You said 2. I'll end phase. I will attach a material to Plump. I'll put Sleepy on Noir, sorry.
That's fine. All materials.
And it's your turn.
Okay. Go. Stand by.
I'll activate Noir to draw a card.
I'll ash.
Actually, should have done that. That's fine. Yep. I'll activate Noir to draw a card. And one more time.
That's fine.
You're good.
Activate Rainbow Voyage.
Adequate space. We're gonna ash.
That's fine. Also, cover us again.
first or second.
Normal summon's fine.
Just pass.
Pass. We're gonna go Pretty Memory, they're both get 1,000. And I'll chain Noir. I'll try to chain Plump. and Pump's effect will absorb it, and then it will banish this until the end of the turn.
Finish the right.
Face up.
Yeah.
That card will
Go battle phase. I'll go for 11. 2,000. Main 2. Oh, sorry, in the battle phase. I'm going to Yi on the plug. Noir. And I'll battle with Noir.
So
So,
you have to I think that card now.
21, so it's 30.
Silver will summon here. Now you have to put exactly 2 cards from your hand to the bottom of your deck.
I'll then go main 2. And I will set 1. I'll pass.
Stand by.
I'll activate Noir to draw a card.
Yeah, right.
And one more time.
Take the cards, put them in your
last
hand, and choose the card and put it at the bottom. So you're going to put one more at the bottom. So you should have 2.
What does that do?
It lets me place 2 crystal cards from my deck, place it as well.
Oh, in the spell trap zone, yeah.
And then I'll put that on the bottom.
Card. Yep, that's fine.
They'll play card destruction, so we discard our hand and that the card back. So you go through that right. Spell effect.
Are you going to get the summon as well?
Yeah.
On summon, we're going to detach 2 to shuffle this back into the deck. And that destroys this. Does it go to the spell trap zone? Isn't that what Crystal Beast do?
Yeah.
Because, yeah, Crystal Bond, or whatever it was, Rainbow, whatever. The Golden Rule said if I destroy that card, it destroys this monster. So then when that's destroyed, doesn't it go to spell trap or not?
I'm not sure.
Does it say it? Should it say it?
I think so.
Yeah, so it goes to spell trap zone, yeah.
I'll use the new effect to banish, choose card from deck.
Yep.
And then I go to crystal. Global.
Discard to summon.
On the summon of Koval,
That's a return
I'm gonna go spotter it.
And
So its effects are negated, and if it leaves the field, you take.
It makes it negated.
I know, but I'm. What do you mean?
But I guess it'll
Yeah, it doesn't matter. So when that card's no summon, I can send it to the grave and negate its effects. And if it leaves the field, you take damage equal to attack.
yeah, but see it actually negates it.
What negates it?
See that?
So
So like
So I can't negate its effects because they're already negated, is that what you're saying?
that's why. So
Pardon? Pass. I'll draw for turn. I'll go battle phase. I'll go Noir over this one. I'll detach 2, spin that to the bottom of the deck, and I'll punch the game with this one.
that's good.
Yep.
Game 2.
What would you like, Luke?
I'll take first.
Yep. No worries.
Yep. So you
I'll go stand by main. Activate street. Normal summon Purrely. I'll activate Purrely's effect to search the deck for a non-click place spell attack. That's fine. Yep.
That's why I reveal, and then I shuffle my hand and you pick one at random.
Draw a Lockbird. Chain cross out designated or draw a Lockbird.
That's one.
Special summons 1.3.
Activate my friend. Play the gloss.
I'll just skip that tell that first. I'm just skipping. Just, I can't do anything, someone needs to pass. And then you're going to just, yeah, so, better go 3. Go 3, so I'm just saying.
Sleepy. Real 3 sleepy. Out of sleepy.
Sure. I already have that with it, so you're fine to keep going.
Yep. I'll activate sleepy. Then I battle effect up to 0, and then that's fine. I'll then activate Purrely, target sleepy. Noir. Gonna set 2. We're going to end phase. I'll activate streak to attach to Noir. So, and your turn.
Stand by.
I'll activate Sleepy to draw. I know how to draw a card. And I'll go again. And you're good to go.
Activate brush boots.
Yep. Deck fitting.
So roll this through here.
What? Stand by main. I'll activate my friend. Any response?
And you get to discard, put 2 cards from your hand to the bottom of the deck.
Pretty. Out of pretty. I'll activate pretty. We both gain 1,000 life points. And I'll chain Noir to absorb.
Bounce to hand.
And that'll set the trap.
Okay.
I'll use Noir, sending this to absorb this card.
Tasha. This back to my hand.
I'll normal summon Purrely and activate it to fate escalate till 3. Do you want a card?
Pitch. And then draw 2. And then that summons you to discard
Happy.
2 more cards from your hand. To the bottom of the left side.
I'll use Purrely to exceed with Happy.
6. That's not on there, so.
I'll go to battle phase. I'll battle with happiness into the face down. Happiness is effect to add a Purrely card from deck to your hand. Very delicious. We're at main phase 2. I'll activate Delicious. I'll choose Noir. So next time we try my battle, it is not. I'll chain Happiness to absorb. And then Happiness will return this card to your hand. I'll go to end phase. I'll activate Street to attach a material. I'm a Sleepy to Noir.
Step 1, card destruction. So you discard that line side 2 or 2.
And I'll pass that over to you.
Draw.
Yep.
Step on.
I'll activate Noir to draw a card. And then again, draw a card. Third time, draw a card. And I'll chain you. Go Noir. Draw a card. And then I'll do it 3 more times.
Use the new gates. Summon.
It places a crucible breeze once per card. The deck and the major spell types.
That's fine.
Your choice.
Senior.
Yeah.
Missing the hit, so search.
Alright, we see him. Banish. Splash one deck and then add all the crystal.
Use big as well.
Sapphire Fox.
Drop set.
Yeah. Search of this. I'll search this. I'll search Grappa. I'll go back in.
I'll set 1. I'll use Noir, sending this to grave
Session ahead.
to absorb the Pegasus.
I'll use the session in these 2. Special summon this.
Go to battle phase.
Then I'll pop
I'll
this.
swing for 29. I'll swing for 11.
And then I will activate Jaguar, so I'm going to pick Jaguar.
I'll set 1. And I'll end phase, activate Street. Yep.
Bounce this.
You're good to go.
And then
I'll activate Noir to draw a card. And again. And again.
one.
You're good.
My turn.
Let's go get my tissue. Alright.
Okay. Okay. I got the exact cards I needed to handle here.
Sorry.
So good.
I'll go stand by main.
Sure.
I'll set 1. I'll use Happiness to send this to grave to absorb the monster. Thank you. I'll do Noir, send this to grave to absorb that back row.
Thank you.
Wow, that's it. And you're recording program.
I'll go to battle phase. I'll swing for 35. And then I'll swing for 11. I'll yeet on Happiness into Noir and swing for game.